एक चायवालो देशाचो प्रधानमंत्री जाल्ल्याचे व्हडविकायेन सांगतात, पण ते खातीर देशाची घटना कारणीभूत आसा हे विसरतात. आदलो केंद्रीय मंत्री सुशील कुमार शिंदेन म्हटलां, आपुणूय न्यायालयात एक प्यून आसलो, पूण उपरांत देशाचो गृहमंत्री जालो अशें ताणें सांगलें. आदोगाद यतीश नायकाच्या लोकाभिमुख सुशासनाचे वाटेन ह्या पुस्तकाच्या विमोचन सुवाळ्यांत तो उलयतालो.
पणजे जाल्ल्या ह्या सुवाळ्यांत माचयेर महाराष्ट्राचो आदलो गृह राज्यमंत्री कृपाशंकर सिंह, आदलो केंद्रीय मंत्री ॲडव्होकेट रमाकांत खलप हाजीर आशिल्ले. आमचे कडेन अजून जाती वेवस्था आनी वर्णवेवस्था आसा. अशे फाटभुंयेर सगळ्यांक समान न्याय दिवपी राज्यघटना खूपच म्हत्वाची अशें सुशील कुमार शिंदेन सांगलें.
I feel amazed that our constitution makers were bold and progressive enough to break this stronghold of the concept of superiority by birth and granted equality to every Indian, declaring that each individual human being has dignity and worth equal to every other individual. But I wanted to speak in my keynote that Mr. Naik has mentioned all these 9 categories and explained by each or former chief ministers. And finally, my friend Ramakantji had said that this book he has to translate into English, Hindi and Marathi. It must go to the young generation, young people, and they should, you see, sit together like symposium, as this was a good symposium of the former chief minister, so that people can understand what is the governance, what is the government, where we have to stand for. But he has the experience that he had so far has included in his book, and this book will enlighten youngsters to give more light on democracy, and our democracy will go ahead. I mentioned, you see, it's not insulting Chaiwala Prime Minister or anything, but I wanted to mention this because what our democracy and what our constitution has given the opportunity to such people like me and like Prime Minister. So one should not boast of this. This is because of our constitution that one has got it.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार यशवंत परब.